Well, we live in Lathrop, which is objectively the best house. It's amazing. It's really great. It's on the quad, so we can go really easily to either the dining hall or the quad.
Yeah.
We love Lay. Our saying is live, lay, love.
We have a double. It's a pretty decent size, so we were able to fit in a nice rug.
I feel like there's a lot of wall space to decorate. And we've got a little tea making station. And I think the rooms are just a really great size. Like, we feel really cozy in here, but our friends can still come hang out. I really love Lake.
I like this room because the ceilings are super high. I have 2 windows, the lighting is great. I have enough room for my cat to, move around. She's majoring in, what are you majoring in? Probably mischief. Yeah, it's very homey.
So we have the Lathe parlor, which is downstairs, and there's loads of people doing work in there all the time. We're even just chatting with friends. And then we've also got the multi-purpose room, or the NPR.
Yeah,
Really useful.
it is really useful.
Use it for like events where we all gather.
And it's actually really nice. The ambiance is wonderful.